Hi there, students. Poise. Poise can either be a noun or a verb. So, to poise, to balance, to place in equilibrium, to put. He poised the book on the edge of the shelf. The glass was poised dangerously close to the edge of the table, and I thought somebody might knock it over. He was poised to react if anything happened. So here I've used poise more metaphorically, to be ready, to be about to do something. The team is well poised to win the league championship. Yeah, so in a good position to do something, positioned and ready. Now, as a noun, we use poise to talk about a person in one of two ways. Either poise talks about physical balance, assurance in movement. Yeah, somebody who moves in an elegant way. Yeah, or we can use it to mean, metaphorically, to mean composed, with dignity. So the model on the catwalk has good poise. She's very steady. She walks well. The way she walks shows a confident air. He answered the reporter's questions with poise. Confident, self-assured, relaxed, unfazed. So the reporter's questions didn't make him nervous. He answered with poise. So you can have physical poise, balance, or mental poise, emotional poise. So to poise, to put or balance in position. He poised the pen in the holder. Poise, to poise, or to be poised, to be ready to act, to be in a position to act, to be about to do something. So our company is poised to become a significant player in this market. Poise, physical balance. A gymnast should have good poise. And then poise in your manner, relaxed, self-assured, confident. He gave the speech with great poise. Alex made the video with great poise. So coolness under pressure. Notice as well, poise has another meaning. It's a measure of the viscosity of liquids. Yeah, we put that one aside. A measure of viscosity. So, after a few moments, the reporter, or the politician better, let me start that one again. After the shock, the politician took a few moments to recover his poise. Ballet classes are good for poise. The hawk was poised to swoop on the rabbit and catch it. Finally, he got angry and lost his poise. The car was poised on the edge of the cliff and looked like it was going to fall over. Okay? So, put or balance in position. Be ready to act. Physical balance and cool, calm collectedness. So, what about formality? I think I'd probably give poise a 6 in formality. You could probably use it in an informal conversation, but better in a semi-formal conversation. I think in the pub, cool and calm, he has a lot of poise. He poised his glass on the bar. He put. My company are poised to take over the competition. Ready to. The ballerina has great poise. She's well balanced. Well balanced. Okay? So, 6 informality. Yeah? What about the origin? Well, it comes from French and originally from Latin. In French, you have the word poids, which means weight. And that comes from pendere, to weigh in Latin. Notice as well, to poise is a regular verb. He poised the glass on the edge of the counter. The company has poised itself in a very good position. Okay? So, poise, put, ready, balance, cool calmness. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Poise.